You looked in the mirror one morning and didn't recognize yourself. And your doctor ran every test and told you everything looks normal. If you're a midlife woman or man dealing with fatigue, stubborn weight, brain fog, or a libido that's gone completely quiet, this channel is built on one belief: you're not broken, and your body is not betraying you. If you stay to the end, I have a surprise waiting for you that will help you get back to feeling yourself again. What nobody told you is that the food on your plate every single day may be sending your hormones the wrong instructions. That's exactly what we're getting into today. Most people don't notice hormonal imbalance arriving. They only notice it when it's already taken over. The progression is gradual. A name you can't remember, a night you couldn't sleep, a mood that shifted, a morning you woke up exhausted after 8 full hours. These aren't random symptoms, they're a pattern, and the pattern has a source. Hormones function like a messaging system inside your body. Every cell is waiting for instructions. And when those signals arrive clearly, everything coordinates beautifully. When those signals get distorted, the whole system shows it. Sleep, appetite, mood, fat storage, focus, desire, all of it starts drifting. The question nobody asks is, what's distorting the signal in the first place? And the answer lives somewhere most people never look. Every meal you eat is sending biological information, and some of that information is working directly against your hormones. Most people track calories, protein, carbohydrates, maybe fiber, but almost nobody stops to ask what is attached to their food. This is the reframe that shifts everything. Modern agriculture introduced compounds into the food supply that weren't part of human diets for most of history. And glyphosate, a widely used herbicide, is one of the most discussed. Researchers and practitioners are actively debating how much these exposures matter. But the question itself is worth taking seriously, especially if you're already symptomatic. The more heavily processed a food is, the further it is from anything your biology was designed to read. And the more your hormonal messaging system has to work around it, there's a reason this feels like it's happened overnight and has nothing to do with one bad meal. But the reason the symptoms feel sudden when the exposure has been happening for years comes down to something your body does quietly until it can't anymore. Your body has been handling the load for years, and at some point, it stopped. It stopped being able to compensate. About chronic stress, most people carry it for months, sometimes years, functioning just fine until one small thing happens, and suddenly they're overwhelmed in a place that makes no sense. It wasn't that moment, it was everything before that moment. The same framework applies to overall toxic burden. It's rarely one exposure, one food, one year. It's the accumulation across time. Your liver, kidneys, digestive tract, skin, and lungs are all detoxification systems, and they are extraordinary, but they operate within limits. When the load exceeds the capacity, the symptoms that were quietly building finally become impossible to ignore. Understanding the why is only useful if it leads somewhere, and where it leads is not a juice cleanse. The detox industry makes billions selling the idea that your body needs outside help to clean itself. But that framing gets the whole thing backwards. Your body already knows how to clear what doesn't belong. The goal is to stop overloading the system that do that work and start giving them what they need to function. This is the practical pivot. Real food, vegetables, fruit, quality proteins, nuts, sends the kind of biological information that hormones can actually use. Movement supports circulation, lymphatic flow, and hormone metabolism, none of which require a gym membership or a complicated program. Sleep is where hormonal repair happens, and it's not optional. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated, and elevated cortisol competes directly with the hormones that regulate energy, weight, and libido. Hydration supports every detoxification pathway your body already has. Healing looks boring from the outside until one day you realize you feel better than you have in years. There are a few moves people make when they start this process that quietly undo all the processes they're building, and most of them feel like the right thing to do. The most common reason people don't see results isn't that the approach is wrong, it's that they're sabotaging it with habits that feel healthy, expensive supplement stacks that bypass whole food nutrition entirely. Your liver doesn't care how much the bottle costs. 7-day cleanses that create a hard reset feeling without addressing the daily inputs that cause the problem. Cleaning up one meal while the other four are still full of ultra processed food, well, it's like bailing water out of a boat with the hole still open. Expecting linear progress, hormonal recalibration, well, it's slow, it's nonlinear, and it requires consistency across weeks and months, not days. Waiting to feel motivated before starting? Motivation follows action, not the other way around. The people who actually feel like themselves again share one thing in common, and it's not the supplement that they found or the cleanse that they completed. What they have in common is that they stopped waiting for a diagnosis that gave them permission to take their health seriously. And they started making small, consistent moves that their body could actually use. If you want help getting started, I would love for you to join my Prescription Detox Midlife Reboot Academy, a 9-week clinician guided reset that combines step by step lifestyle strategy to restore hormones, metabolism, and energy. The program is based on the principles of my #1 best-selling book, Prescription Detox: How Our Allegiance to Big Pharma Makes Us Sicker, and How You Can Heal Without Meds. And because you are watching this video today, you get a $200 off this DIY program. Just check out the discount coupon in the description below. And if you're wondering how to identify exactly which toxins are hitting your hormones hardest and where to start removing them, click the video on the screen and I'll show you right now.